Hi viewers, this is Rajendra. Welcome to Rajendra Reddy Chemistry Point. In previous videos, we discussed about classification of matter based on the states. Based on the states, matter is classified into three types: solids, liquids, and gases. In this video, we are going to discuss about effect of temperature on states of the matter. So here temperature affects the states of the matter. So we know very well that solids, liquids and gases are there. So in these three, in case of solids, the particles are closer to each other. In case of liquids, just the particles are not somewhat closer, just they are far away compared to the solids. And in case of gases, the particles are more far away than compared to the liquids. And apply the temperature, solids changes to liquid state. Now here the conversion of solid to liquid is called as melting. This is melting. Now here, next of all, on up on removing the heat energy, when the particles loses the heat energy, the liquid again changes to the solids. That is called as freezing. Now this is the process of freezing. So interconversion of solid to liquid, liquid to solid is due to the melting and as well as freezing. We will discuss about this melting and freezing in the next classes. And here the conversion of liquid to gas is called evaporation, and it is also called as boiling, and it is also called as vaporization. And here you can consider the conversion of the gas to liquid is also known as here condensation. The conversion of gas to liquid is known as condensation. Now let us consider the conversion of solid to gas is called as sublimation, and here gas to solid is called deposition. Here we are going to discuss about melting and melting point. Now what is melting and what is melting point? What is the difference between melting and melting point? Let us discuss. So here we know very well that when you purchase an ice cream and when you keep it in your hand, after some time what happen? So the ice cream slowly turns into the liquid form from the solid form. So it is known as melting. This is the best example we observe melting in our daily life. So there solid is converts into the liquid state. It is called as melting. So here let us discuss. So simply what is melting? Melting is the process of conversion of solid state to liquid state is called as melting. The process of conversion of solid state to liquid state is called melting. It is also called as fusion. Fusion. It is also called as fusion. So when you heat an iron nail or when you heat an iron object, so after some time slowly what happened? It turns into liquid state. And when you remove the heat energy, what happened? It turns into again solid state. So the next we will discuss about melting point. What is melting point? Means what is the difference between melting and melting point? So melting point means the constant temperature. Melting point means the constant temperature at which solid changes to liquid state by observing the heat energy is called as melting point. So melting point means the constant temperature at which solid changes to liquid state by observing heat energy. Here the most important point is at constant temperature the solid is changes to liquid state by observing the heat energy. That is called as melting point. Now you can observe here. This is the solid diagram. This is the liquid diagram. Two diagrams are given here. In solid diagram, the particles are closer to each other. In case of liquid diagram, so you can see here. Here the particles are closer to each other. Here the particles are somewhat far away to each other. Why it is happened so? By apply of the heat energy. Delta symbol. Delta symbol is nothing but heat energy. So by applying the heat energy, so the particles are moves each other. So actually what happened here means generally initial state the particles are very closer to each other. But on applying the heat energy, whatever the particles are there, the particles absorb the heat energy. After observing the heat energy, they increase their energy so that their potential energy turns into the kinetic energy. So that the particles are start moving with each other. So when the particles start moving with each other, what happened? There a space is formed between the particles. So due to that, solid is changes to the liquid state. And you can observe here, the particles possess less energy in case of the solid, but in case of liquids, the particles possess high energy. It means that the particles of solid state absorb the heat energy and increases their energy and turns it into kinetic energy so that the particles are moves with each other so that interparticle distance is increases So solid is changes to liquid state. Actually, this is happen inside. So here melting point of ice is 0 degrees centigrade. The next sodium melting point is 97 degrees centigrade. Iron melting point, iron has high melting point, that is 1535 degrees centigrade. Zinc melting point is 420 degrees centigrade. Lead is 327 degrees centigrade. So finally what we mean to say in this class is solids are changes into the liquid state by applying the heat energy. It is called as melting. The constant temperature at which solid changes to liquid state is called as melting point. So during the melting, particles absorb the heat energy and their kinetic energy increases so that the particles are moves with each other. So distance between the particles are increases. So the state is changes from solid state to liquid state. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.